Hi everyone, I'm Dave Gray. I'm one of the members of your teaching team for your ECS 200 course. And as you can see, I'm not in the lecture theater. In fact, I am in Malaysia. I'm here right now and not with you in class today because I'm helping some of the fourth year students settle into their new life. They are taking their final semester of studies here at a local teachers college in Malaysia. Now, although I can't be with you in class today, I will be with you next week. So although I can't be with you, I thought I might send you a little video showing you a little bit of my life here and showing how it actually connects to your course, our course, in ECS 200. Now you might be wondering how being in Malaysia could possibly be relevant to ECS 200. If you take a look at the calendar description of the course, it talks about the idea that children, childhood, students, adolescents, that all of these things are social constructions. And being here highlights that socially produced nature of children, childhood, students, adolescents. It highlights it because, you see, children here in Malaysia are different from children in Canada or in Saskatchewan. The ways in which they are socially constructed are different from the ways in which we Canadians construct socially our children or our notions of childhood. So the differences between Canada and Malaysia help highlight for me the social constructedness, the socially produced nature of childhood, of adolescence, of students, of learners. Those are some of the things that I find fascinating and that I'll try and offer to you in future videos. Besides coming here to Malaysia to help the fourth year education students settle into their semester, another part of my work in the past has been actually teaching here in Malaysia in the school system. Although I must say that over the past 10 years or so, most of my teaching has been done at U of R in the university context. As a teacher, one of my main fascinations these days is with something that you hear in the background. Can you hear the flow of that water? I'm fascinated with flow, with the ways in which learning flows, the ways in which learning flows despite the best laid plans of teachers, the ways in which learning moves and happens often unintentionally, often accidentally. And trying to understand flow in learning's flows, because understanding that will help make me better as a teacher. So who am I? I'm a guy who likes to hang out in Malaysia. I guess in some ways it's becoming my second home. And I'm also a guy who likes to try to think differently about things, see things from different perspectives, which I suppose only makes sense if things are indeed socially constructed. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you next week. Meanwhile, I'm off to chase monkeys. Did you hear them in one of those clips? The dog force heard them, and he's off chasing. I'm going to follow him. See you later.